Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the secrets it holds? How did this vast universe come into being? There's an enigmatic quality to the cosmos that has intrigued humanity for centuries. It's an arena of unending mysteries and infinite wonders. It's where the birth and death of stars occur, where galaxies collide and new ones are born, where black holes consume matter, and where the laws of physics as we understand them are constantly tested and redefined. This is the realm of cosmology, the scientific study that seeks to unravel the origins, evolution, and ultimate fate of the universe. It's a field that merges physics, astronomy, and philosophy, and its findings often leave us in awe, challenging our understanding of reality. But what if I told you that there's a unique perspective on cosmology that has been with us for over 1,000 years? A perspective that harmonizes science and spirituality, and offers profound insights into the enigma of the cosmos. This perspective is contained within the pages of the Quran, a text considered by many to be divine revelation. The Quran, while primarily a guide for moral and spiritual development, contains numerous verses that touch upon the mysteries of the universe. Its descriptions of celestial phenomena and the creation of the universe have been astonishingly in line with modern scientific knowledge despite being written in the 7th century. These verses offer a fascinating perspective on cosmology, one that intersects with scientific knowledge and extends beyond it, offering a spiritual dimension to our understanding of the universe. As we embark on this journey of cosmic exploration, we turn to a surprising source for answers: the Quran. The Quran, an ancient text, speaks of the universe in ways that resonate with modern scientific theories. This sacred book, written over a millennium ago, offers insights into the cosmos that reflect our current understanding of the universe's birth. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Quran's cosmology is its description of the universe's creation. The Quran speaks of a primordial explosion, a moment of intense heat and energy that gave birth to the cosmos. This is strikingly similar to what we today understand as the Big Bang theory, a concept that was only proposed in the 20th century, yet seems to have been hinted at in the Quran centuries earlier. The Quran's depiction of the universe's creation doesn't stop there. It goes on to mention an initial singularity, a point of infinite density and gravitational pull, from which the universe exploded into existence. This concept closely mirrors what scientists refer to as a black hole. A black hole, as we know, is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The idea that our universe may have originated from such a singularity is a cornerstone of modern cosmology. What's remarkable is that these scientific theories, which seem to align so perfectly with the Quran's descriptions, were unknown at the time the Quran was written. The understanding of the universe was vastly different back then. The Earth was thought to be the center of the universe, with the sun, moon, and stars revolving around it. The concept of an expanding universe born from a single, infinitely dense point would have been inconceivable. Yet here in the Quran, we find descriptions that not only reflect this understanding, but anticipate it. It's as if this ancient text had a window into the future, able to see the discoveries and innovations that would shape our understanding of the universe. Intriguingly, the Quran seems to suggest that our universe began from a point of singularity, remarkably similar to the concept of the Big Bang. The Quran doesn't stop at the creation of the universe, it also touches upon its ongoing evolution. As we delve deeper into the verses of the Quran, we find references that suggest an understanding of the universe as a dynamic, ever-changing entity, rather than a static, unchanging one. One such reference is the concept of the expanding universe. This idea was introduced to the scientific community in the 20th century, yet we find it subtly mentioned in the Quran, written over 14 centuries ago. The Quran describes the heavens as having been expanded, suggesting a universe that is continually growing and stretching. This aligns with the modern understanding of cosmology. Scientists today widely accept the theory that the universe is expanding, an idea that was first put forward by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century. He observed that galaxies were moving away from each other, leading him to conclude that the universe was growing larger. Later discoveries, such as the detection of the cosmic microwave background radiation, provided further evidence for this theory. The Quran's mention of an expanding universe is not presented as a scientific fact, but as a metaphorical description of the universe's creation and ongoing evolution. This is a testament to the Quran's poetic nature and its ability to convey complex ideas in a way that can be understood across different cultures and times. The Quran's portrayal of the universe as an expanding entity also suggests an understanding of time and space as interconnected dimensions, a concept that is central to Einstein's theory of relativity. This interpretation of the Quran's verses, while not explicit, aligns with our current understanding of the universe's structure and dynamics. The Quran's mention of an expanding universe, centuries ago, is a testament to its timeless wisdom. This ancient text, written in a time when mankind's knowledge of the universe was limited, offers insights that align with our modern understanding of cosmology. Its references to an expanding universe, among other scientific phenomena, highlight the Quran's enduring relevance in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. The motion of the heavenly bodies, a topic that has fascinated humans for millennia, is also addressed in the Quran. The Quran's portrayal of the celestial body's motion is notably distinct. It challenges the prevalent geocentric view at the time of its revelation. This ancient perspective posited the Earth as the stationary center of the universe, with all heavenly bodies, the sun, moon, stars, and planets revolving around it. However, the Quran presents a different perspective, one that is more in line with our current understanding of the cosmos. It speaks of the sun and the moon, each floating in an orbit, suggesting motion, not stillness. It does not constrain these celestial bodies to a geocentric orbit, but instead implies a broader cosmic dance. This depiction is profoundly significant. It not only reflects an understanding of the universe that was centuries ahead of its time, but also aligns remarkably well with modern astronomical observations. Today we know that the Earth is not stationary but orbits the sun, and the sun itself moves around the center of our galaxy, which is also in motion within the universe. Moreover, the Quran's view of the universe extends beyond the motion of the celestial bodies. It presents a dynamic cosmos, where everything is in a state of constant change and motion. This perspective, so elegantly expressed in the Quran, aligns with our current understanding of a universe that is not static, but vibrant and ever-changing. In essence, the Quran presents a cosmic view where the Earth is not at the center, but just another celestial body in constant motion. It invites us to appreciate the grandeur of the cosmos, where countless celestial bodies, including our own planet, are part of a magnificent cosmic ballet. The Quran presents a cosmic view where the Earth is not the center, but just another celestial body in constant motion. The Quran not only delves into the creation and expansion of the universe but also contemplates its future. This ancient text, famed for its spiritual wisdom, also hints at cosmological events that modern science is still grappling with. One such concept is the potential future collapse of the universe. The Quran refers to a singularity, similar to a black hole, and the possibility of the universe folding back into this singularity. The idea echoes what we in the scientific community refer to as the Big Crunch. This theory postulates that the universe, after expanding for billions of years, might reverse its course and start contracting. Ultimately, it could collapse into a single point, a singularity. A concept eerily similar to the one mentioned in the Quran centuries ago. But the Quran's cosmological narrative doesn't stop at the collapse. It goes further, suggesting the possibility of a new universe springing forth from the ashes of the old one, much like the phoenix of ancient mythology. This notion resonates with the scientific theory of a cyclic universe, where each collapse is followed by a new Big Bang, birthing a new universe. As we delve into these profound concepts, we realize that the Quran's cosmological narrative is not just about the past or the present, but also about the endless cycles of cosmic death and rebirth. It's a narrative that invites us to reflect on the impermanence of existence and the cyclical nature of time itself. Now it's time to pass the mic to you. What do you make of these Quranic cosmological concepts? How do they resonate with your understanding of the universe? Do they challenge your perceptions or align with them? As we contemplate these profound ideas, what are your thoughts on the Quran's cosmological narrative? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.